Hi, and welcome to the Becoming a Trader workshop series. I just want to take a moment to congratulate you for being here. I know what it's like to sometimes sign up to something or to put your email in, do all that stuff, or something just for your inbox to get filled up with some, with some things that are probably not that substantial. Now, my promise to you, I wanted to get this out of the way really quickly, that every single video that I send your way is going to be hard-hitting, powerful, the best of the best stuff that I can do. I'm literally going to spend these next, I don't know how long these videos are going to be, anywhere between 20 to 40 minutes, depending on how many tangents I go on. But I'm going to condense down the last 8 years of my experience in the markets of learning to trade from the absolute bare bones basics. If you've never traded before, you've got no idea what trading is, and you're just here because you're trying to make an extra bit of side income, or you're sick and tired of your job and you want to fire the boss, or you want the location independence, which is what I was after, right? I wanted to be able to go anywhere, live from my beautiful office, work from my office here in Bali. I'm going to help you in this 4-part workshop series to get you well on your way to what I call demystifying the craft of trading. Trading is a mammoth of an industry. It is an industry. It is not gambling. It's very different than that. It's not speculating like on cryptos, as you see with the guys on the Reddit. It's not filling up your inbox with the next guy who's plugging the next bro coin, right? Trading is a real legitimate industry that requires skill and strategy, but it's a skill that anyone can learn. If you've ever looked into trading before, Pro Trader, which is our trading education company, we do things a little bit different. Right, we start from the bare bones basics, as I said. Whether you've never placed a trade before, you've never opened a trading account, we're going to get you set up on that. We're going to get you on a demo account, paper money, so you're not trading any real money, until you can go through and practice the strategies and know what you're doing before even risking a single penny, right? So we'll get you started there, but before all of that, we're even going to start with the first module, which we call demystifying the craft of trading. So it's more around what is trading, right? What is a chart? What is all these squiggly lines on the charts here? What does it represent? What is it about, right? How do we actually read and interpret this? And it's been compared, many of our students have kind of compared it to like learning another language. And it is, it's just like that. And there will be language, there will be terminology that you'll learn and pick up along the way. So how do you actually make money from the charts? Do you just buy low and sell high? Well, maybe that could be investing, right? You go and buy a stock and you sell it a year later for a bit more. That's investing. So what's the difference? Trading and investing are two very different things. We're going to cover all that. The second module that we're going to be going through, teach you your first trading strategy, right? So you can actually go through and get on the charts and actually see how often and frequently these strategies play out over time. You're going to learn how to back test. So you can go back through historical data, apply the 5 different rules for each strategy. You're going to be learning one strategy. We'll start simple, right? For this one specific strategy, you can go and actually see and backtest the last 1 year, 2 years, 5 years, and see how profitable you would have been had you started trading 2 years, 3 years, 5 years ago with the knowledge you're going to learn in this workshop series. So super exciting stuff. After that, we're going to help you actually place your first trade. What's the actual process between now you've gone through, you've learned the strategy, how do you actually place that? How do you actually execute on that position? How do you manage that position? What happened? Like, what's the process of doing that, right? So we're going to be covering all of that in the third video. Hopefully by then you'll be able to actually place a few trades. After module 3, you'll be able to go through and start placing these demo trades, right? You'll be able to see on your demo account that you can see that money over time, depending on how, if you do that for the next couple of months, just go through just the first module 3, obviously blast through all these 4 modules. You'll be able to do that within the coming week. Once you are applying this and practicing what you learn, because again, there's only 4-part workshop series. I'm trying to condense 8 years down into this, right? If I speak really quickly, well, maybe you could, go back and rewatch these videos. I encourage you to rewatch them as much as you can, but I appreciate your time as valuable. Mine as well. So let's not fill this workshop series with fluffy fads, right? Let's get to the crux of it. Once you can start seeing some demo or paper profits being accrued, right? The thing that tripped me up a lot in my trading career is I didn't have any bloody money when I started, right? I'd flip-flop between job, save, doing the full-time job, and then I'd quit the job and I'd try to trade. And I'd be trading to pay the bills is what I call it, right? Which is a difficult place to come from, because if you lose it, you take a string of losses, or you're just not making profits, and then you've got rent to pay. That's a really stressful place to come from, right? Plus, we also don't really like risking our own money when we're beginning, because I'm going to be square with you. Your first 3 to 6 months of trading, that's your learning stage, maybe even 12 months, right? That chances are will make nothing. You will take losses, you'll make some winners, right? And you'll maybe end up going around break even. Now, that's not because the strategies don't work. It's just because there's about 101 little mistakes that you can make as a trader, which you will learn along the way. And I will be here to coach and teach you, right? So the solution to that, which is I didn't have the luxury of 8 years ago when I first began trading, there's a way that you can actually turn a $2,000 investment or $2,000 into a $4,000 monthly income within the space of 12 months. That's probably one of the most exciting modules. We're going to crack into that. I'm going to teach you exactly how to do that. But really, the days of needing huge, vast amounts of capital to invest and to trade to make money from, those days are over. Because trading is such a highly sought after skill, right? This is what we call like a highly profitable skill. Once you can learn to trade, the money is in the skill. The money's not in the account per se, right? Or in the account size. Somebody who's a great trader with only $1,000 in the bank account is going to be able to reach that $1 million account or $10 million account or whatever it is that your goals are much quicker than the novice trader that starts with 500,000 or even $1 million in the account, right? I mean, partly, of course, the novice trade, chances are he's going to lose or end up trading water. But we leverage what are called prop firms, right? And that's sourcing outside capital. There's a challenge. There's various challenges out there by well-established, registered companies, organizations that you can actually pass a challenge with them. And then they will give you an allocation, a small account, $100,000, $200,000 trading account that you can trade on their behalf, and they give you a profit split. So it can range anywhere from 50% all the way up to 85, sometimes even 90% profit you get to keep. And they keep all of the risk, right? There's certain trading criteria and parameters that you need to work around, but that's what I'm here to teach you. And that's what we cover all in Pro Trader. So that's pretty much that. That's what we're going to be covering in these 4 lessons coming up in this workshop series. Super powerful stuff, of course, in the whatever, let's say 3-4 hours that we're here together. Chances are, look, there's not going to be everything in there from get you from square A to square A, point A, all the way through to turning over $1 million a year. This 4-part workshop series, I'm going to give you hands down the best, most high quality, high impact knowledge that I can give you absolutely free of charge for these 3-4 hours together. But at the end of that, there is going to be an offer, right? And it's going to be a fantastic offer. It's our product, Pro Trader, where it's a monthly subscription base. So there's no $3,000, $5,000, $25,000, $35,000, I think Learn to Trade. They're like a $40,000 enrollment fee, right? We had to make money, not cost you bucket loads of cash, right? So there's a small monthly subscription that's what this workshop series is about. If you love what you learn and you want to go on to join Pro Trader, we'd love that. We'd love to have you. Let's get stuck into the first module, and that is demystifying the craft of trading, where we're going to pull apart what is trading, what does it all mean, what's the terminology, what are these charts and things that have disappeared behind me now, what is it all about? So I'll see you all in the next video. Bye for now.